Carlos Garcia, Sonny, Domínguez III, born September 16, 1945, is a Filipino businessman who was appointed as Philippine Cabinet Secretary thrice, as Minister of Natural Resources from 1986 hanggang 1987, Secretary of Agriculture from 1987 hanggang 1989, and as Secretary of Finance from 2016 hanggang 2022. He has over 4 decades of vast experience and an outstanding track record of achievements at the helm of various organizations in the public and private sectors. His expertise was born out of his experiences as a shareholder, CEO, and a board member of over a dozen corporations across multi-industries such as power, agriculture, mining, banking, hospitality, real estate, and investment. Domínguez comes from a prominent Zamboangueño family in Davao City. Born on September 16, 1945, in Zamboanga City, he is the son of Carlos Domínguez, Jr., and Virginia Ubeda Garcia. His grandfather Carlos Domínguez Sr. was a pre-World War II head of the Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI, in Mindanao. He grew up in Davao and attended elementary and high school at the Ateneo de Davao University, where he was a classmate of President Rodrigo Duterte. He moved to Manila for his college studies at the Ateneo de Manila University. Domínguez graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in Economics in 1965 and received a Master of Business Management from the same university in 1969. He also pursued postgraduate studies in California, where he completed the executive program from Stanford University's Graduate School of Business in 1982. Domínguez managed agriculture-related enterprises ranging from agricultural machinery distribution and 5,000 hectares of farmland producing bananas for export, as well as coconuts, cacao, rice, and cattle. Domínguez joined the Bank of the Philippine Islands, BPI, in 1983 as president of the BPI Agricultural Development Bank before being invited by President Corazon Aquino to join her administration. He assumed the leadership of the Ministry of Natural Resources in 1986 and the Department of Agriculture in 1987, while also serving as director of the government-owned Land Bank of the Philippines. After leaving government service in 1989, Domínguez entered the tobacco, energy, real estate, retail, hospitality, mining, and copper smelting industries and served as CEO of companies such as the Retail Specialist Inc., Philippine Tobacco Fluker Inc. and Red Ryan Corp., Philippine Associated Smelting and Refining Corp., as well as Halifax Capital Resources. He joined the Philippine Airlines in 1993 and served as its chairman and CEO in the 1990s. In his long business career after his first stint in government, Domínguez served on the boards of RCBC Capital Corp., House of Investments, Shangri-La Plaza Corp., Northern Mindanao Power Corp., Isicol Communications Philippines, Lafayette Philippines, Transnational Diversified Group, Central Azucarera Don Pedro, Rojas Holdings, and United Pergan Mining Corp. From 2001 to 2003, he served as director of Meralco. He was the treasurer of the successful presidential campaign of Rodrigo Duterte. Domínguez III is an independent director of GT Capital who replaced Pascual Garcia III. Secretary of Finance Domínguez returned to government service on July 1, 2016, as President Duterte's Secretary of Finance, and led the implementation of the Duterte administration's 0 to 10-point socio-economic agenda. As Secretary of Finance, Domínguez served as a member of the Monetary Board of the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, the Governor for the Philippines at the Asian Development Bank, ADB, the Governor for the Philippines at the World Bank, and alternate Governor for the Philippines at the International Monetary Fund, IMF. As Secretary of Finance, he had supervision over the Bureau of Internal Revenue, BIR, the Bureau of Customs, BOC, the Bureau of the Treasury, BTR, the Bureau of Local Government Finance, BLGF, the Insurance Commission, IC, the National Tax Research Center, NTRC, the Central Board of Assessment Appeal, CBAA, the Privatization Management Office, PMO, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, the Development Bank of the Philippines, DBP, the Philippine Crop Insurance Corp, PCIC, and T. Domínguez was also the chairperson of the cabinet-level Economic Development Cluster. He also served as co-chair of the Intergovernmental Relations Body, IGRB, which is tasked to coordinate and resolve issues affecting the implementation of the Bangsamoro Organic Law, BOL, and the programs and projects of the national government in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, BARMM. In addition, he was the President's representative to the Climate Change Commission, CCC. Under his leadership, the Department of Finance, DOF, was able to draft and introduce to Congress the first of a series of the Duterte administration's proposed tax reform packages known as the Tax Reform for Acceleration and Inclusion Law, TRAIN, Act less than 90 days from the time he assumed the cabinet portfolio in July 2016. President Duterte signed into law the TRAIN Act on December 19, 2017, which reduced the personal income taxes for 99% of taxpayers in the country, giving them much-needed relief after 20 years of non-adjustment. TRAIN was followed by other successes in the legislature such as the passage of the Tax Amnesty Act, the Tobacco Tax Reform Law, and a sin tax reform law that raised excise taxes on alcohol and electronic cigarettes to help fund the Universal Health Care Program. On Domínguez's watch, the Philippines' key revenue agencies, the BIR and the BOC continued to achieve strong revenue growth rates. It was also under his leadership that the BIR was able to collect its largest tax settlement from a single taxpayer in Philippine history, amounting to 30 billion Philippine pesos or 600 million United States dollars. Domínguez also succeeded in placing the Philippines in a more stable fiscal position by combating corruption and modernizing the country's tax collections and payments. He also led the enactment of the Rice Tariffication Act, which liberalized the Philippine rice market and, in turn, lowered the price of the country's staple food for more than 100 million Filipinos. Domínguez also led the funding efforts for the Duterte administration's $170 billion United States dollars Build infrastructure program through concessional loans from partner countries and institutions, such as Japan, South Korea, China, the European Union, the United States, and from the World Bank, the Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank, AIIB, and the ADB. As a result, the government's infrastructure spending rose from a pre-2016 average of 2.5% to above 5% of the country's GDP during the DOT. With Domínguez at the helm of the DOF, the Philippines maintained strong investor and consumer confidence and achieved credit rating upgrades from major credit rating agency Standard. The Philippines enjoyed a record low debt-to-GDP ratio of 39.6% in 2019 with Domínguez as head of the country's economic team. Through bold tax reforms and better tax administration, he was also able to raise the Philippines' revenue effort to 16.1% of GDP in 2019, the country's best performance in more than 2 decades. During the pandemic, Domínguez spearheaded the funding of the country's procurement of vaccines and direct responses to the economic downturn. The Philippines' COVID-19 response program amounted to about 3 trillion Philippine pesos, equivalent to 15.6% of GDP. To help pandemic-hit businesses get back on their feet, Domínguez pushed for the enactment of COVID-19 recovery measures. These include the Corporate Recovery and Tax Incentives for Enterprises Act, CREATE, which gave tax breaks to 99% of business enterprises, and the Financial Institution Strategic Transfer Act, FIST, to help relieve the banking system from bad loans and other non-performing assets. Domínguez was conferred by the President of the Philippines with the Order of La Candula with the rank of Grand Cross, Bayani, for his exemplary service to the nation. The Order of La Candula is awarded to distinguished persons of political and civic merit. Domínguez was also conferred by the Emperor of Japan with the Grand Cordon of the Order of the Rising Sun for exercising outstanding leadership in promoting cooperation between Japan and the Philippines. The recognition is the highest ordinarily conferred order in Japan. Personal life: Domínguez is married to Cynthia Ball Andrews, the daughter of the late Colonel Antonio Andrews of the Philippine Air Force, PAF, Flying School Class of 1949, and one of the pioneers of the PAF. They have 4 children, Rafael, Mary Edwina, Ignacio, and Xavier, and 6 grandchildren. Welcome to the amazing world of Thousand Vlogs.